Om Namah Shivaya. We all know about the COVID-19 immunity and infection. COVID-19 is an highly contagious disease which is responsible for more than 3.6 morbidity and more than 0.25 millions of mortality. Nitric oxide is one of the compounds which produced in the body itself in the paranasal cavity, which is very much useful, and it acts as an antiviral agent which protects the respiratory tract infection. It is also known that humming sound increases the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator also. So to protect ourselves from the infection, our body itself manufactures and our body itself produces the nitric oxide. So when the nitric oxide, the production of nitric oxide becomes less, so the respiratory tract infections will become more. In Yoga Shastra, there is one pranayama known as Bhramari Pranayama, which is known as resounding pranayama, Laya Pranayama. Making a sound of female bee helps us to produce more nitric oxide, 15-fold more nitric oxide than normal quiet exhalation. So let us practice this Bhramari Pranayama. Irrespective of age and sex, everyone can practice this pranayama early morning and before going to bed. This Bhramari Pranayama helps to control the mental stress, and the people suffering from insomnia, sleeplessness can be utilize this practice. And also, if we practice regularly, this also helps to reduce the number of ICU patient and survival rate. Bhramari Pranayama can be practiced in 3 phases. One is either closing the ears with the 4 fingers and with the thumb, and also by using the Shanmukhi Mudra. So let us practice with the help of closing the ears through 4 fingers like this. And the procedure in this practice is, in the first phase we inhale through nostrils 6 counts. While exhaling, we fold the tongue inside and making a sound of female bee like ing, ing through nostrils. When the sound produced through the nostrils, it produces the nitric oxide. So this, in the first phase we practice 6 counts of inhalation, 6 counts of exhalation. And during the production of the sound, when we make the sound, you should feel the vibration of the sound throughout the body also. And in the second phase, we will practice these 6 rounds. In the second phase of the practice, 6 counts inhalation, 12 counts exhalation. While exhaling, we have to make the sound of female bee. In the third phase, we will inhale 6 counts, exhale 18 counts, making a sound of female bee. So this will increase the production of nitric oxide. So many research have shown that this Bhramari Pranayama is very much useful in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Let us begin the practice. Sit in any comfortable position, either in Sukhasana. So let us close the ears. Before practicing, you have to settle down yourself by observing the breathing. Let us practice the Kaya Sthiryam, stillness of the body, with observation of natural breathing for a few seconds. Now, feeling the normal breathing, let us close the ears with the help of 4 fingers. Just plug your tip of the 4 fingers. Bring your awareness on the navel center. Let us inhale deeply 6 counts, counting the numbers mentally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, fold the tongue inside and make a sound of female bee through nostrils. close the mouth, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fold the tongue inside, exhale with the sound of female B. Close the mouth, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now continue the practice. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 12 counts exhalation with the sound. Inhale through nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fold the tongue. Open the lips. Exhale. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 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 Now 18 counts. Fold the tongue inside, make a sound of female B. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 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 Now very slowly and gently remove the fingers. Just feel the vibration created by the Brahmari Pranayama. Feel the sound, vibrations throughout the body. You can sit in this position, as this Brahmari Pranayama is also a pre-meditative practice. Now very slowly and gently open the eyes with few blinkings, looking down. Very slowly and gently open the eyes. So practice this pranayama immediately when you get up from the bed and before going to bed, in order to get complete protection from the infectious diseases. Om Namah Shivaya.